Hello and welcome back to our channel, that is Make My Assignment, and today we are here for the semester 1 marketing management assignment for the session of September 2024. So moving on to the first question, we have the very first question as a case study of eJosh Technologies. The eJosh Technologies is a startup company founded in 2020 by a group of tech enthusiasts with the vision of revolutionize the education sector through the innovative digital solutions. eJosh Technologies primarily targets students, teachers, and parents in the K-12 education sector. The company's products and services designed to cater to the diverse needs of these groups, providing the personalized and interactive learning experience. eJosh Technologies offer a range of products and services designed to enhance the learning experience for the students, teachers, and the parents. These products are based on the foundation of artificial intelligence, that is AI, and the machine learning, that is ML, to provide personalized and interactive learning opportunities. Some of the key features of the product include AI powered learning platform. The core product of eJosh Technologies is its AI powered learning platforms. This platform offers a wide range of educational content, including interactive lessons, quiz, virtual classrooms, and AI technologies used in the platform to analyze the learning patterns and the preference to each user to provide personalized recommendations and feedbacks, helping students to learn more effectively. Mobile app. eJoshi Technologies also offers a mobile app version of its learning platforms, allowing users to access the educational content on the go. The app is designed to be user friendly and intuitive. Intuitive means easy to use, and making it easy for the students to navigate and engage with the content. Teachers dashboard. For teachers, eJoshi Technologies provide a teacher dashboard that allows them to track the progress of their student, assign tasks and quiz, and the communication between the student and the parent. The dashboard is designed to streamline the teaching process and enhance collaboration between the teachers, students, and the parents. The parent portal. The parent portal provides parents with the insights into their children's learning process, including the performance in quiz and assignment. Parents can also communicate with the teachers through the portal, enable them to be more involving in their children's education. eJosh Technologies operates a subscription based model, offering different tiers of access to its platform based on their users' need. The platform provides a wide range of educational content, including interactive lesson, quiz, virtual classroom, all designed to enhance the learning experience and improving academic performance. The marketing team of eJosh Technologies focus on the traditional marketing strategies to reach a wider audience. The operational teams ensure the smooth functioning of the platform, managing the content updates, using accounts, and technical support. They also work closely with the technology team to implement new features and improvements based on the user's feedback. The finance team is responsible for managing the company's finance, including the budgeting, financial planning, and revenue analysis. They also oversee the billing process and ensure that the subscriptions fees are collected on time. The technology team is the core of eJosh Technologies, responsible for the developing and maintaining the AI powered learning platform. They continuously work on improving the platform's functionality, security, user experience. One of the major challenges facing e-Josh technologies is competitive nature and ed-tech industry. There are several well-established players in the market offering similar products, making it challenging for e-Josh technologies to differentiate itself and attract new users. eJosh Technologies has shown great potential to disrupt the education sector at its innovative AI powered learning platforms. You can make a valid assumption whenever applicable while answering the questions. So, on the basis of this case study, now we have to answer some questions. So, very first question is explain various marketing management orientation and their alignment with eJosh technology. That is straight for the 10 marks. So, coming up on the introduction part, the eJosh technologies established in 2020 symbolize a visionary shift in educational through its AI powered digital solution tailored from K-12 sector by focusing on students, teachers and parents. The company aims to enhance the educational journey through the personalized and interactive tools. As the EdTech landscape grows increasingly competitive, understanding implementing effective marketing management orientation is crucial for eJosh technologies. To differentiate itself and achieve sustainable growth, this analysis explores the various marketing management orientation that could align with a strategic observation. This is only a half answer, so you can get our fully solved assignments on makemyassignmentss.in, or you can write us over our mail, that is makemyassignments@gmail.com. The last date of your assignments are 29th of August 2024. We are charging 199 rupees per assignment for your assignments. You can also WhatsApp to our mobile number. We will reply you instantly or maximum in 1 hour. Our contact number is 9625074462. Coming up on the question number 2, what are the key geographic, demographic, psychographic and behavioral characteristics of the segments that eJosh technologies target? That is also straight for the 10 marks. So, coming up on the answer, the eJosh technologies strategically position itself with the beginning edtech industry, targeting the key segments that maximize the utility and reach of its AI powered learning solution. Understanding the distinct characteristics with these segments: geographic, demographic, physiographic, and behavior provides the company invaluable insights that drive product development, marketing strategy, and customer engagement initiatives. By the specific attributes of its target audience, eJosh can tailor its offering to meet the precise needs. And so, for complete assignment, you need to purchase our whole assignment. Coming up on question number 3, part A. How can eJosh technologies leverage a digital marketing channels? In today's general digital age, leveraging digital marketing channels is essential for eJosh technologies to effectively reach and engage its target audience. Digital marketing provides numerous opportunities for target, measurable and cost effective strategies that can significantly enhance the visibility and adoption for their AI powered learning platform through strategic use. Coming up on the question number 3, part B. Which positioning strategy would be most appropriate for EJOS technologies? Explained with the reason. That is for 5 marks. And coming up on the introduction part, the positioning is crucial in defining how a brand disgusts itself in the market, that how it sounds unique and how it is perceived by its target audience. For the e-juice technologies, it is effective positioning strategy that can capitalize on its strengths and unique benefits of its AI powered learning platform to stand out. So you can visit to our website, that is https makemyassignmentss.in, for more information and for the complete assignment. You can write us down at makemyassignments@gmail.com. We are charging rupees 199 per assignment, and you can also drop a message over our WhatsApp, that is 96250744462. We will be replying you instantly or within 1 hour. That's all for today's video. We'll be meeting you in next video. Thank you.